Hello, good morning everyone and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, for today's video we are going to look on how we can enable virtualization on our PC. This is Windows 11 Pro. So without wasting much time, let us get into the video. So go to your settings, press on your Windows button to take you to this page. Then you go to your settings here. In your settings you go to um Windows Update, all right, and then scroll down here and go to Advanced Options, and then scroll down, go to Recovery, scroll down to this place, Advanced Startup, and then you click on Start Now, and then Restart Now. Then you restart your computer. It is okay, it is still. So on this page you go to troubleshoot, and then go to advanced options. You go to UEFI firmware settings, and then restart now. Alright, so after restarting you go to advanced by using the keyboard control keys. So advanced, then you go to CPU configuration, then you press enter and scroll down to Intel virtualization technology. You can see that mine is disabled over here, if you can see. So you press enter, and then so you navigate to the enable, and then press enter. You can see that it's enabled here. So press F4 function 4 to save and exit. So enter. It is rebooting. You are good to go. Alright, so that's it over here. So guys, this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new member on this channel, and also like the video and share it for others who also benefit from it. Thank you very much.